Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard. Now today, I want to show y'all something. I want to show you how you can twist up your ackee inside of your kitchen with something different from saltfish, because y'all know that ackee and saltfish is a national dish. Well, let me tell you something, family. Saltfish is like 600 and odd Jamaican dollars a pound, as is. And sometimes we can't afford it to get a piece of saltfish. And because that happened to me one time, I had ackee and I couldn't afford a piece of saltfish, I substituted some tin mackerel for the saltfish and lick up that with my ackee, and it tasted so good. And I'm doing just that today. So I want to bring you all on this journey, because this is a Jamaican thing. I don't think this happening in another kitchen. Let's get rolling, y'all. Get right in here. So I have some ackee here that has been pre-cooked. Remember, you want to, when you cook your ackee look like this, firm. You don't want to cook it soft, and you want to have your ackee firm like this. Okay. Right over here we have Mighty Joe Young. I know a long time I don't see me now. But no worry, no head. When things like these are happening, she have to come into being. Or him have to come into being. So we have a little oil here where we slice up some garlic thin inside of it. We want to get it the flavor. We don't want to get it burned, because you know the garlic will burn. So we're not gratering it this time. We're slicing up some garlic thin as possible. So we want to get out the flavor, so we're going to fry it off. It's staying in there, we're not moving it, we're not taking it out. Right here, we have a huge onion. Well, maybe not huge to you all. So we'll get it on the little side, it's so huge, so we'll get it on the side here. We're going to slice, so we're going to ride and whistle as usual. We're going to use all our onions. So we're going to slice it up like this, while we're watching our garlic inside there, getting out the flavor. We don't want it to burn, so we're going to turn down our pot. I'm going to show you how we do this thing right here, family, inside our Jamaican kitchen. So we're going to get, move our hands a little faster. And we don't want the garlic to burn. So family, you slice your onion anyway, you do your thing. Alright, we're putting it all in there. Now chop back with flame. Get out. We want our onion. So we flame up and we get the smell. If you're here, you would smell the garlic. But as you start doing it for yourself, you smell the aroma of the garlic coming out, and notice it's not burned. Right, so that is happening there. Right here we have some Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to cut up some of it right inside here. Cut as much as you want, family. Some people cut around the seed, but you remember a tin mackerel, so you have to put in some of the seed, make it have some spice. Okay, y'all. So after that, now you get your hands all washed. You don't play around with this. Okay, family? You get your hands washed after the Scotch bonnet cutting up. I'll make a mess right here, so. Okay. So we onion in, lots of onion, Scotch bonnet, and with garlic. So we're getting it out. And if you're liking this video, you can send a link to one of your friends. Let them know what is happening. And if you have not yet subscribed, you can do so just now. We'll be grateful and thank you. Remember to turn on your notification. Yes. And I want you to leave your comments below on this video that I'm doing, this tin mackerel and ackee. When I'm through, I want you all to leave your comments on it, because we don't want onion get too saggy, So we not too saggy, but not extra crunchy. So we have a thing like that and we get it rolling. Family, this is a Jamaican thing, you know, it's a survival thing. I don't know it goes where you all are at, but in Jamaica now it's all about survival. Can't get no saltfish, can't find a tin of mackerel, have some ackee. Yeah, dinner ready. Alright. I have here one of the big tin of jack mackerel. So you know the jack mackerel having the gravy and all of that. But guess what? We don't want the gravy of it. So we're going to drain it. We don't want the gravy. So we're going to drain it. Because we don't want mackerel with no water. We ackee with no water. So we're going to get it right out in here. And you're not going to break it up too much. You're going to make it just look like saltfish. Yeah. Kind of break it up. Not too small, family. Look at it, right? You just flake it in, you know, like saltfish pieces, not too fine. Okay, that's it. So to this now, you're going to slap in a little black pepper. Go and get it incorporated. Look at it. You see it already? You don't break it up too fine, you know. You make it have little pieces, chunks, like your saltfish. Because when you're doing your ackee and saltfish, you don't mince it up. You don't mince up your saltfish like you're doing fritters. You make it have little chunks and pieces. So we get the onion and the scotch bonnet, yeah, and the garlic in this mackerel here. We get the thing together, right? Flame up. Are we getting it together, y'all? We want taste of mackerel because sometimes some of them they come from the tin and them kind of, you know, not have a lot of salt. Not that we want a lot of salt, but this one can take a little salt. Wow, spicy and nice, family. So we have put a little salt. Even though we have pre-cooked the ackee with salt. So now we're gonna turn in our ackee. And as usual, you know, from the bottom up, under and over, under and over. Now you're going to put some more black pepper to taste inside of the ackee there. Okay, under and over. Look at that. You're in on it, family. Are you there with me? If you're never there near me, and I never tell you say, and a saltfish, you couldn't know say, and a saltfish inside my ackee. So now we have it. We're gonna turn down our flame for about 45 seconds, and we're gonna get our pot covered, and we're gonna let this go right through it. So we're waiting there, and put the camera for me. Family, as I tell you before, this is a Jamaican kitchen. And I know you all out there, most of you like the Jamaican cooking. And I want you all to try this. And when you do, let me know how it goes. Tin mackerel and ackee right inside of me. I don't think this happens nowhere else. And all of you out there who know about this tin mackerel and ackee from way back when, say something, man. Never see I've never watched the caramel dumpling video. Get on the channel and watch it. Because some caramel dumpling, we go well with this. Yeah, man, we're right back here. Yeah? And we're like this. This is how we look. Family. Now you tell me. Tell me, family. You tell me. This is how we look. And we are ready. So we're going to plate up some for you all. For you out there who love tomato, I don't love tomato with my ackee. Honestly, family, I don't. It makes the ackee have this sour taste. But some people like it. But if you do, and to be honest, it gives the ackee a colorful look. But because of that sour taste that it gives it, I personally don't like it. So I don't put it in there. I don't prepare my ackee with tomato. And there you have it, family. A perfect dish. Ackee and tin mackerel from West Indian Delights. From my humble little Jamaican kitchen to yours. Enjoy. And remember, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. Try it. And when you do, let me know it goes. Debbie from down a yard, twisting a ackee and tin mackerel.